Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this awesome Wi-Fi Smart Powerstrip Surge Protector by Jolly Joy. Now this is a 3-port, so 3 plug-in port and 2 USB port Powerstrip that you can actually link up with your Echo devices, your Amazon Alexa devices, or your Google Home / Google Assistant devices. So you basically plug in your lamp, plug in your computer, or whatever, and all you have to do is, say, hey Alexa, turn this on, and then it'll automatically switch it on with this device here. This is actually what it looks like right here. And a couple of cool things I wanted to point out about it is, first of all, it does have built-in child protection. So when you don't have things in the plugs, you can't just stick anything in there. In fact, when you plug in your devices, you have to really plug them in hard, and it'll push this little flap out the way, which is the child protective flap. So that was a really cool thing I liked about it, that it does have that extra child-proof protection. You also have a switch here as well, so if you don't want to use your voice, if you just want to walk over and just hit the button, you can hit that and it'll just turn everything on or turn everything off. So you do have that fail safe. Also, what's cool is you can program each port for something different. So for example, I have mine linked up to my Alexa. So on one of the ports I had my Chromecast, and then I had various other devices. And so in the Alexa app, you can actually program each port and name it. So when you ask Alexa, you can say, hey Alexa, turn on this specific device. I could just say, Alexa, turn on my Chromecast, and it'll just basically flip on that one port. So the other benefit there, which I love, is it'll help save your energy as well. So if there's a device that you don't want to be running all the time, like a normal surge protector, when things are plugged in, they're just always pulling power, whether you're using them or not. Some of them do have power saving modes where they're pulling less, but with this, when you tell Alexa to turn it off, it cuts the power from that port, and that saves you energy as well on your electric bill. So that's one of the things I really like. So currently I have one of these linked up to my computer, and I want to show you guys how that works. All right guys, so I have my 2 monitors here plugged in to the Powerstrip, and all I have to do is say this command and they'll automatically be turned off at the same time. So watch this. Alexa, turn off my monitors. Alexa, turn on my monitors. So really cool. I get to save power when my monitors are not being used. And they also have a tendency to come on even after I put the computer to sleep. Sometimes they'll still come on. So just by having her turn them off when I leave the room, it will help to, again, save energy and not have them popping on and off throughout the day for no reason. Alright, and last but not least, I did want to show you guys what the app looks like, which is called Smart Life. So go ahead, we're going to open that. And this is our surge protector, the Smart Socket C158F. Tap on that. So this is the layout, and this is how you would customize your different switches. So switch 1, I have it programmed, I have it named monitor 1. I have nothing on switch 2, and switch 3 is monitor 2. You can also, again, program the USB ports. You can name them. So once you go over to your Alexa app or your Google Assistant, you add the skill, and then when it finds your smart Powerstrip, it's going to take the names that you've already, or the labels that you've put on each switch. It's going to take that. So as soon as you say the right command, it will know to look for that specific switch. So really easy. And the app, again, you're literally just going to set up an account. You plug it in, you connect it to your Wi-Fi, and then you just link it up with your Google Assistant or with your Alexa. So that is the app. Wanted to show you that. And finally, bam! That's right, we are doing a giveaway. This is our new thing. We're trying to do more giveaways. So when we review something, best believe we will have a giveaway that you guys can participate in to win one. So really easy. All you have to do is subscribe on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. Also go on our Instagram page at H2TechVideos, and you're gonna go ahead and follow and look for the post. I'm gonna do a post with a picture of this Wi-Fi smart power strip. You're gonna like the post and you're gonna leave a comment. That's it. And then we'll pick a winner, and hopefully that winner is you. So make sure you guys do that. Like, favorite, and share the video if you find it helpful. Thank you to Jolly Joy for sending us this awesome power strip to test out, and it's working great. And so only if it's working good are we gonna show it to you guys and tell you our feedback. So thanks again for watching, and look out for that Instagram post so you can join the giveaway and hopefully win one of these cool power strips. All right, take care and have a good one.